we are actually more than half of our classroom number. So maybe we can start now. Can you hear me very clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
All right, thank you. So um, if during our class, maybe you can use your microphone if you want to ask something or if you want to answer during our discussion, or maybe you can use as well the chat box. And please excuse for the background noise. And okay, so yung i-discuss natin today is about analysis of accounts and correction of errors. But let me first discuss the analysis of accounts. If in case there is an intermittent internet connection, maybe you can you can chat on the chat box or on the messenger na sabihin niyo lang, sir, na lag ata kayo or nawala kayo dun sa sa Google Meet. So just informing me. And thank you so much for your cooperation. All
Oh,
right,
sir.
so let me just share again my screen. All right. Okay. Mhm. Sharing my screen. Chapter analysis. All right. Can you see now my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, okay, thank you. So, ulitin ko lang yung discussion natin, no? So, yung analysis of accounts, so alam ko may idea na kayo doon, no? Yung tungkol siya sa, syempre, pag-analyze ng behavior, ng movement ng mga T accounts for a particular line item sa financial statement. So, sa audit, ang ginagamit natin normally na mga account items, mostly nasa balance sheet. So asset, liabilities, and then equity. The reason behind that, kasi all transactions that affect income statement is pumapasok din sa balance sheet. Kaya mostly yung ating ginagamit for T accounts pag nagsosolve ng uh, auditing problems is puro mga balance sheet accounts. But there are cases as well na kailangan natin gamitin rin naman yung yung mga income statement accounts, gagawa natin ng T accounts, pero minsan lang siya, very rare cases. So this is yung T account for accounts receivable. So alam niyo naman, 'di ba, na normal balance ng accounts receivable is debit. So nilagay natin siya dito as yung beginning niya sa debit. So no question why we put ending balance on the credit side. So yung purpose niya is just to balance. And then paano siya lumalaki? May sales on account. Lumalaki rin siya in case merong recoveries. And then lumiliit siya kapag merong collections, and then sales returns and allowances, sales discounts, write-offs, transfers to notes, receivable. Merong trade discounts, right, di ba? Pero itong trade discount na to kasi is hindi naman siya nire-record, hindi siya nag-a-appear sa financial statement or sa accounting report. So we need to ignore the trade discounts kasi net na yung nire-record natin for accounts receivable pagdating sa trade discounts. So there are also cases kapag ang tanong sa problem ay how much is the total sales. So gagawa kayo ng T account, di ba? Ang na-compute nyo is sales on account or credit sales. Pero ang tanong pala is total sales. So ang gagawin nyo lang, you just add the cash sales. You just add the cash sales. So para makuha nyo yung total sales. So you get the total sales. Ganyan lang yan. So, alright. So nakakasunod po ba sa akin about sa total sales? Accounts receivable. Sa behavior ng accounts receivable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes po.
Alright. So no other questions, ha? Alright. Alright. So next is for the allowance for bad debts. So sa allowance for bad debts, normal balance is beginning, is credit. So ilalagay natin yung beginning dun sa credit side and then debit sa ending side. And then, lumalaki yung allowance for bad debts kapag merong expense, bad debts expense. So mapapansin niyo yan, normally lahat ng expense nasa right side. So bad debts expense kasi nakaka-increase siya nung related account. So and then recoveries, lumalaki ulit ang allowance for bad debt kapag merong recoveries. Kasi isi-set up ulit natin yung allowance for bad debts. Isi-set up din natin yung accounts receivable. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung receivable, lumalaki siya kapag merong recoveries. Allowance for bad debts, lumalaki din kapag merong recoveries kasi siniset up natin. And then write-off, nababawasan ang allowance for bad debt kapag may write-off kasi inaalis natin. Same with accounts receivable. Nababawasan ng AR kapag may write-off. So for the interest receivable, so let's try with the interest receivable. So for the interest receivable, we have, the normal balance is debit. So ilalagay natin doon yung beginning balance and then sa credit side naman yung ending. Lumalaki siya kapag merong income, lumiliit kapag merong collection. So kung mapapansin nyo, same with accounts receivable, lumalaki siya kapag may income or sales. And then lumiliit kapag merong collection. So, all right. So, any questions regarding AR, allowance for bad debts, interest receivable? None or still
None, sir.
none so far?
None, sir.
All right. So pagdating dito, papansinin niyo lang kung paano yung pattern. Yung collections, normally nasa kanan. Yung income, yung sales, nasa kaliwa. So, since pare-pareho sila ng nature receivable, so pare-pareho sila ng pattern. And then yung allowance for bad debts naman, since contra asset account ng AR, lahat ng nakaka-affect na transaction pareho sa AR saka sa allowance for bad debts, magkabaligtad naman sila ng position. And then si accounts receivable naman saka si cash, yung mga nakaka-apekto pareho sa kanila, baligtad naman yung kanilang position. So yung collection kay AR nasa kanan, yung collection kay cash nasa kaliwa. So same lang with that. And then sa prepayments. Sa prepayment, so normal balance, debit. So lalagyan natin yung beginning doon. And then ending balance, lagyan natin sa credit side kasi for the purpose of balancing. And then lumalaki ang prepaid expense. Sa equipment naman, so normal balance, debit. So lagyan natin beginning sa debit side and then ending sa credit side. Lumalaki ang equipment kapag merong acquisition, lumiliit kapag merong disposal. So, right. So, yung revaluation surplus saka impairment, ito, very rare cases lang naman to na merong impairment saka revaluation surplus. But we all know na kapag may impairment, mababawasan yung value ng equipment, and then kapag may revaluation surplus, nadadagdagan yung value ng equipment. And then for accumulated depreciation, since contra asset account ito, kabaligtaran ng equipment, credit balance. So beginning is credit, And then i-position natin yung ending balance sa debit. Lumalaki yung accumulated depreciation kapag merong depreciation expense. Lumiliit kapag merong disposal. For unearned interest income naman, so liability siya, so credit. So lalagay natin yung beginning balance sa credit and then ending sa debit. Lumalaki siya kapag merong collection. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, para-pareho sila. Lahat ng collection nasa kanan. And then lumiliit naman kapag merong income, kay unearned interest income kasi liability siya. Okay. So same with interest receivable, nasa kaliwa naman yung income. And then si sales and income, pareho lang rin with position. Okay, AR, interest receivable, and then unearned interest income. So any question regarding AR, IR, unearned income, prepayments, equipment, accumulated depreciation?
Sir, excuse sir.
Yes po.
Sir, di ba, ano po, sa T-account po sinasama po yung, ano po, pag magkakopit po ng sales, baka po yung sa AR po, di ba yung sa T-account?
Alright. Sige po.
Minsan po, di ba po yung ano po, sinasama po yung advance from customer para po makuha yung sales.
Yung advances from customer.
Yes, sir. Kasi di ba minsan po, kasama yung ano,
okay.
para po makuha talaga yung sales account.
Alright. Sige, tama po yun. Ganito yung gagawin natin para hindi tayo malito. Kapag merong account doon sa problem na advances from customer, gumawa rin kayo ng separate account sa advances from customer. Kasi ano siya, di ba? Liability yun.
Yes, sir.
So, kukunin din natin yung behavior ng advances from customer. So, mapapansin natin yun, di ba? Alright. So, gawa tayo ng T account, for example. So, si advances from customer, normal balance niya is credit. And then, lagay natin sa debit yung ending. So, ngayon, lumalaki si advance from customer kapag may collection, di ba? And then, lumiliit naman si advance from customer kapag meron ng sales na nag-effect. So, effective sales. So, sasama mo yung related sales doon sa advances from customer plus sales on account kay accounts receivable plus yung cash sales kay doon sa cash transactions. Nagigets po ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Naku, sige, ayan po. So, ganun yung case. Kapag wala namang advances from customer, so same lang rin siya nung sinabi ko kanina. So, yung credit sales mo, i-add mo yung cash sales na meron ka makikita. Kung may nakita ka, so doon mo makukuha yung total sales. Pero kung wala naman sinabing cash sales, lumalabas yung sales on account, siya na rin yung total sales. So, same lang rin siya. And then, so let's go now with accounts payable. So, si accounts payable, we all know it's a liability. So, credit balance. So, lagyan natin yung beginning balance sa credit side and then ending balance sa debit side. Lumalaki si accounts payable kapag merong purchases. So, kay accounts payable, normally gross purchases yung nakapresent doon. And so, huwag kayo malito doon. Kasi minsan, ang kay inventory, net purchases yon. Kay accounts payable, gross. Tapos lumiliit si accounts payable kapag merong payment. So mapapansin nyo, lahat ng payments, lahat ng paid, nasa kaliwa. So, like, prepaid expense, accrued expense, accounts payable, puro nasa kaliwa lahat ng payment transaction. And then lahat ng expense nasa kanan. So kay inventory naman, so asset siya, beginning balance, debit, and then ending balance, lagyan natin sa credit for the purpose of balancing. And then, ang nakapresent kasi dapat kay inventory is net purchases. Pero in-expand natin siya. So, debit, gross purchases, add debit ulit, freight in, and then credit, purchase returns and allowances, credit, purchase, discount. Kung gusto nyo lang ng ganitong presentation. Pero normally, ang nakalagay kay inventory is net na, net purchases. And then, cost of goods sold, siya yung nagpapaliit kay inventory. So kung mapapansin niyo, si cost of goods sold is a type of expense. Kaya nasa kanan din siya. Ganun din. So accrued expense, nandun din yung nasa kanan din yung expense presentation. So let's try to answer ano po ba yung hindi pa natin nasagutan? Sa analysis of accounts.
Sir, exercise 3.
Exercise 3. So yung 1 and 2, tapos na tayo. Tama po ba? Yung 1 and 2, exercise 1 and 2, we are done already.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's try to answer exercise 3. Okay, let me just share again my screen. Analysis. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, ang sabi for exercise 3, the MUOA Inc. was organized in 2018 and recorded all transactions using nominal accounts. So, sinabing nominal accounts, lahat ng transaction, expense method, income method. So, yun yung sinabi ng problem. So, the transactions during the year included the following. So, A, paid premium of 36,000 pesos for a fire insurance policy covering the period of August 1 to August 1 the next year, the following year. So what will be our entry for letter A?
Insurance expense, debit.
Interest expense. Insurance expense. So debit insurance expense. And then credit cash. So credit cash.
Yes, sir.
Then amount is 36,000 pesos. 36,000 pesos. And then letter B. Ano sabi ni letter B? Receive 72,000 representing advance rent for the use of a portion of company's properties for a period of September 1 to March 1 the following year. So our entry here will be debit cash 72,000 pesos and then credit
Rental
income or rent income.
Rent income.
Rental income or rent income amount 72,000 pesos. And then we do have letter C. The company received a 90-day 12% 200,000 peso face value note from a customer. The note is dated December 1, 2018. So what will be our entry here? Debit, notes, receivable.
Yes, sir.
Notes receivable, and then credit. Credit, sales,
Yes, sir.
200,000 pesos. 200,000 pesos. Notes receivable, and then credit sales. And then letter D, salaries are paid on the 5th and 20th day of the month. Monthly salaries are estimated to be 120,000 pesos. So, ano yung original journal entry dito sa letter D? Meron bang original journal entry sa letter D?
Salaries expense, sir.
Oo, sir. Pero parang
Original journal entry. So, isipin nyo na maigi kung meron bang original journal entry. Debit,
Wala.
monthly sales. Monthly salaries estimated. Sir, parang
debit, salaries,
expense.
expense. And then
Salaries
credit,
payable.
cash.
Cash.
Nominal.
Ito yung original journal entry. Isipin nyo maigi. Bakit siya naging original journal entry? Kasi yung total na nababayaran niya per month is 120,000 pesos. Kaso, ilang buwan lang yung nabayaran niya. Ilang araw lang yung nabayaran niya. I'm so sorry.
10 days, sir.
10 days.
10 days.
Hindi, 20, sir, taga 20.
Ilan po? Ilang araw lang yung nabayaran niya?
15 days.
25.
Sige nga po. Salaries are paid on the 5th and
Yung
20th day of the month. Kailan nagbabayad? 5th saka 20th day of the month. Kung ilang araw yung nabayaran lang niya?
yung 15 lang, sir.
15 na po.
Ilan po?
15 daw, sir.
Paano nyo nalaman na 15? Paano nyo nasabi na 15?
Sa 5th and 20th. Yung sa 5th and 20th day. Ay, wait. Teka lang.
I-analyze nyo maigi. So, para hindi tayo malito kapag nagre-review na kayo, so, or may exam tayo, so para hindi kayo malito. Ang sabi daw, yung salaries daw, binabayaran sa ika-5 araw, saka sa ika-20 araw, every month. Diba? So, 2 beses nagbabayad every month. So, 15th and then 20th. So, yung 5th day,
15.
yung 5th day, ang binabayad doon is magkano? Ang 5th day,
16.
kasama na ba yung 1 to 5th, 1st to 5th day sa bayad?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then sa 20th day, kasama na ba yung 6th to 20th day sa bayad?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Opo. So, ganun yung lumalabas na interpretation. Kasi wala namang sinabing cut-off na yung pang 20th day hanggang 15 days lang yung babayaran. So, hindi yung ganon. So, pag silent yung problem, kung kailan yung araw ng bayad, kasama na yung araw na yun mismo. So, lumalabas, 20 days lang yung nabayaran.
Binayaran.
Yung binayaran. So, 120,000 times 20 over 30 days, magkano yung nabayaran?
80,000, sir.
80,000. So, lumalabas, 80,000 yung bayad na. Ito yung mga original journal entries. So, using nominal account. So, expense method, saka income method. Pero, at the end of the year, gagawa daw tayo ng adjusting entries, di ba? So, gagawa na tayo ng adjusting entries. Adjusting journal entries. So, yung adjusting journal entry, since originally nominal account, a nominal method yung ginamit, sa insurance expense yung presentation, may portion pa doon na hindi talaga expense. So, we need to reflect the asset portion. So, debit, prepaid,
Prepaid.
insurance. And then credit, insurance, expense. Magkano kaya yung portion ng insurance na hindi pa talaga expense?
7 months.
21,000,
21,000,
sir.
21,000. So that is correct. 21,000. Nakukuha po ba? Nagigets po ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So ngayon, tingnan natin yung effect sa net income. Effect on net income. Effect on net income. Pag sinabi nating effect on net income, kapag hindi mo daw nagawa yung adjusting journal entries, magiging overstated ba or understated yung net income mo. So, lumalabas. Paano kaya kung hindi natin nagawa yung prepaid insurance, hindi natin na-record, kukulangin ba yung net income or sobra?
Understated, sir.
Understated siya.
Understated, sir.
Yes,
Sobra po
tama.
yung expense.
Sobra yung expense.
Yes,
Nakukuha
sir.
po ba? Dahil understated siya, kailangan nating dagdagan or bawasan yung net income?
Dagdagan po, sir.
Dagdagan.
Dagdagan,
So,
sir.
pag dagdagan, syempre positive. Understated siya by 21,000 pesos. And then, kay rental income, at the end of the year, dahil income method yung ginamit natin, kailangan i-reflect naman natin yung portion na unearned. Tama po ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, debit, rental income, and then credit, unearned.
Rent.
Magkano yung unearned rent na portion?
24,000.
24,000 pesos. Nakuha po ba ng lahat yung 24,000 pesos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Ngayon, alright. Ngayon, kung hindi natin nagawa yung adjusting journal entry dito, ano yung effect sa net income? Kulang ba o sobra yung net income?
Overstated, sir.
Overstated, sir.
Overstated ang net
Yes, sir.
income, diba? So,
Yes, sir.
overstated ang net income by how much? 24,000
24,000.
pesos. So, kung sobra daw ang net income, anong gagawin? Dadagdagan, babawasan?
Bawasan, sir, dahil sobra.
Babawasan.
Yes, sir.
So, ang gagawin natin, nakikita niyo po ba, binawasan natin ng 44,000 pesos. Nagigets po ba? Any question with this? Any question, class? None. 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 Okay. So, for the notes receivable, ano daw sabi? 90-day, 12%, 200,000 peso face value from a customer. So, meron daw siyang interest. So, this is an interest-bearing note. So, nakalagay siya sa face value. So, we have to compute using the simple interest rate.
Rate.
So, anong entry natin pag nagre-record ng interest, income? Debit,
Interest receivable.
Interest receivable.
interest receivable kasi hindi pa natin nakukuha. Diba? And then credit,
Interest income.
income. What will be your entry? What will be the amount? Magkano po?
12.
Magkano
12,000.
magkano po yung ano? Magkano po?
12,000, sir.
12,000 pesos. 12,000 pesos. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
It's wrong.
Sorry, 18. 18 ba? Wait, sir.
Sige pa. Isipin niyo po na mabuti.
Kasi sir, ano no, ang gagamitin po ay 200,000 times 0.12 times 270 over 360
Times
times 270 over 360 para po maipakita yung interest income balance.
times 270.
Ay, tama. Wait.
Sige po,
Diba?
ulitin natin. Ulitin po natin.
18,000 pala, sir.
Sige nga po. Ulitin natin. Sige po. The company received a 90 day daw, di ba? So, pag sinabing 90 day, yan yung term kung kailan tatakbo yung interest at kailan magmamature yung
Ay,
interest. So, 90 day siya, di ba? So, on the 90th day,
nga pala.
magbabayad na si customer kasama yung interest. And then, 12%, ito yung value no interest rate. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
And then 200,000 peso is the principal.
2,000 pala.
200,000 pesos times 12% times ilang days
30 lang po.
90.
tumakbo simula ng in-issue.
30 lang, sir. 30.
30 days over
30
ilan?
over 90. 90 days.
30 over
Over
90.
30 over
90.
360, sir. 360.
90 or 360?
360, sir.
360. Kasi yung 12%, that is the annual
Annual rate.
interest.
Yes, sir.
Nakapit ba? So, over 3,
360.
2,000, sir, ang lalabas.
2,000 pesos. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ngayon, kung hindi tayo gumawa ng adjusting journal entry, anong effect sa net income? Sa
Over
interest,
and understated, sir.
under or over?
Under po.
Under.
Then, hindi ka nag-credit.
Understated daw ang net income, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, magkano yung in-under niya? 2,000.
1,000.
So, anong gagawin natin? Dadagdagan, babawasan?
Dadadag.
Oh,
Dadagdagan,
Ay,
babawasan?
dagdagan, sir.
Dagdagan.
Kasi under.
Dadagdagan.
Dagdagan po. Apo.
Nakukuha po ba? Okay.
Apo.
Alright. So, tama po yun. So, nakakasunod na tayo lahat. And then, sa salaries expense, ilang days yung binayaran?
20.
20 days.
20 days. And then, ilang days yung hindi pa nabayaran? Kasi
10.
nag-cut
10
off siya.
days.
10 days. So, meron tayo, hindi nabayaran na magkano?
40,000.
40,000. 40,000. So, kung hindi tayo gumawa ng adjusting journal entries for salaries expense, anong effect niya sa net income? Over, under?
Oh,
Over.
ay, under. Ay, sorry.
Over.
Over, under?
Over, sir. Over.
Over ang
expense.
over ang net income kasi walang
Yes, sir.
salary expense.
Apo.
So, overstated ang net income na magkano?
40,000.
40,000. So, sorry. So, ano po yung gagawin natin? Dadagdagan, babawasan?
Babawas.
Bawasan, sir. Bawasan.
Babawasan na magkano? 40,000 pesos. Nakuha po ba? What will be your entry? Adjusting entry for the accrual of salaries expense? Debit, salaries expense, and then credit.
Salaries payable.
Salaries
Payable.
payable. So, magkano lahat ng net effect?
41,000.
41,000 pesos.
Na overstated.
So, ano siya? Over, under?
Over, sir.
Overstated.
Stated.
Nakakakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Number 3 is 41,000 over. Any question regarding exercise 3? Meron po bang question regarding exercise 3? Exercise 3. So don't worry, i-upload ko po ulit itong video natin. Na-record ko po pala siya. Okay lang po ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Thank you. So, can we go now sa exercise 4?
Okay, sir.
Alright. So sa exercise 4, anong sabi daw? Prepare the necessary adjusting entries and which of the above adjustments may be reversed in 2000. Kailan po yun? 2019. Okay. So, babasahin ko na lang ha. When the accounts of Grim Reaper Inc. are examined, the adjusting data listed below are uncovered on December 31, the end of the annual fiscal year. Number 1, prepaid insurance account shows a debit balance of 54,000 pesos representing the cost of 1 year in fire insurance policy dated August 1 of the current year. So, meron ba tayong adjusting entry doon? Nagagawin
Yes,
po ba?
yes sir.
Okay, so may gagawin tayo. Ngayon, dahil alam natin na may gagawin, ano yung ilalagay natin adjusting entry?
Insurance expense debit.
Debit,
Yes, sir.
insurance,
Expense. And
and
credit.
then credit,
Prepaid insurance sir.
Prepaid.
To reduce the
prepaid,
balance.
insurance. So, tama. Magkano po yung ating ibabawas? Magkano po yung ating amount?
22,500 po yung i-reduce.
22,500.
100.
Kuha po ba?
Yes sir.
The following year, meron po ba tayong reversing entry na gagawin?
None.
None. Okay. So, lagay ko lang po dito ha. Reversing entry. Reversing entry. Dito. No entry.
Because asset.
Tama po ba? So, tama po yun. Kasi, bakit? Bakit kaya? Kasi insurance, asset method yung
Ginamit sir.
asset.
Yes sir.
Number 2, on November 1, rental income was credited for 90,000 pesos, representing income from a sub-rental for 6-month period beginning on that date. Anong sinabi? Rental income was credited. So, ang ginamit niya is income.
Income method.
Okay,
Yes,
so kapag income method yung ginamit niya at the beginning, what will be your adjusting entry? So,
Debit to
lumalabas.
debit
Debit,
to rent income.
rent
To income.
Credit, rent, income. And then credit,
The unearned rent income balance.
earned rent. So, magkano po?
60,000 sir.
60,000. So, tama.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then, the following year, what will be our reversing entry?
Debit. Balik na rin lang sir. Debit unearned.
And earned rent, and then credit,
Rent
then income. So, amount, 60,000
60,000.
pesos. Alright. Galing. So, nakakasunod talaga ang aking mga estudyante. Matatalino talaga. So, number 3, interest of 3,800 has occurred on notes payable. May entry po ba? Original?
Sir, meron sir.
Ano yung original entry niya? Debit?
Debit.
Notes? Note payable ba? Or anong debit entry?
Purchases siguro sir. Ganun.
Debit?
Or
Sabi natin,
expense.
Sir, pwede
Expense.
pwede.
Yes
or
sir.
expense, then
That's-
credit,
Credit
cash.
to notes payable.
then credit, notes,
Payable.
payable. Hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung kanyang transaction for that.
Yes,
Pero
sir.
alam natin na issue, Notes
Notes
payable.
payable.
magkano po?
Interest is given na po sir eh.
3,800.
3,800.
Ano, I mean, magkano yung notes payable?
Ay,
Wala pong sinabi.
wala pong binigay sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Wala pong nakalagay, diba?
Opo.
Okay. And then at the end of the year, ano po yung entry natin?
Interest expense.
So, debit, interest,
Expense.
expense, magkano
Interest.
po? 3,000,
3,800.
800, and then credit,
Interest
Payable.
payable.
Interest
Payables.
payable, 3,800. The following year, do we need to reverse the entry?
Yes.
So yes, debit,
The accrual.
interest,
Reverse lang.
payable, and then credit, interest,
Interest expense.
expense,
Expense.
3,800. Adjusting entries. And then number 4, estimated depreciation on equipment amounted to 75,000 pesos. What will be our adjusting entry? Debit.
Depreciation expense.
Depreciation expense.
Depreciation expense. And then credit,
Accumulated.
accumulated depreciation.
Yes, sir.
Magkano po?
75,000.
75.
75,000 pesos. The following year, what will be our entry?
No reverse.
Hindi niya yata ka na.
Hindi po nare-reverse yung depreciation.
No entry. Kasi hindi siya subject for
Reverse.
Reverse.
entry.
Entries.
Yung
Yes, sir.
bid groups, di ba? Yung bid group is not subject for reversing entries.
Budgets.
And then, the bid group, ito yung bad debts, inventory, saka depreciation. So, hindi sila nire-reverse. Number 5, unearned fees includes 15,000 pesos that has been earned. What will be our adjusting entry?
Debit.
Debit.
Unearned.
Unearned fees. Diba?
Yes, sir.
And then credit,
Fees.
Fees.
Fees ba, sir?
earned,
Service revenue. Fees revenue.
pwedeng service, pwedeng service income, pwedeng service fees,
Yes.
pwedeng earned fees. So, magkano po yun?
15,000.
15.
15,000. And then 15,000. At the following year, do we need to reverse?
No.
No, sir.
No. Bakit no?
Kasi ano, sir?
Kasi ang ginano nila ay
Liability method.
liability.
Yes, sir.
And then last is number 6. It is estimated that 24,000 of the total accounts receivable balance at the end of the year will become uncollectible. What will be our adjusting entry? Debit.
Bad debt.
Budgets.
Bad debt
Bad
expense.
debt. And then credit,
Allowance for budgets.
allowance for bad debts. What will be the amount? Debit.
24.
24,000 pesos. And then credit, 24,000 pesos. At the beginning of next year, kailangan ba i-reverse?
Hindi po,
No,
sir.
sir.
Hindi po. So, no
Bad debts. Hindi
reverse.
nare-reverse.
Bid group.
So, ano lang po yung nire-reverse the following year? Number 2,
Accruals.
saka number 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ako pa po ba?
Okay.
Any question regarding exercise 4? Any question? Any question po? None? Or meron po? Ni-internalize.
Sir, sa practice po, hindi na po kailangan ng reversing.
Sa practice, actually, optional lang naman kasi ang reversing
Sure po ba?
entry. Kaso, may time na kailangan natin mag-reversing entry kapag sobrang dami ng transaction. Halimbawa, ang nature ng business is bank, di ba? Tapos marami silang pinapautang na mga kliyente. So, di ba, at the end of the year, merong accrual ng interest. Kasi hindi naman at the end of the year, magbabayad na agad sila, di ba? So, ang mangyayari, the following year, dahil sobrang dami ng kliyente nila, hindi lang naman 100, more than 100 yung kliyente ng mga banks. So, ang gagawin na lang ng mga accountants nung sa finance, i-reverse nila lahat nung accruals na nangyari nung December 31. Para next year, kapag na-reverse na, kapag na-receive nila yung full amount nung in-amortize, yung amortization, diretso na agad interest income, diretso na agad debit cash and then credit, interest, income. So yung effect ng reversing, saka nung na-record ng na-receive yung interest mismo, magkakaroon ng net effect, di ba?
Okay, sir.
So ganun, yun yung purpose nung reversing entries. Para hindi mo na kailangan i-monitor. Kasi kung hindi mo i-reverse yung in-accrue mo nung last year, kapag nag-record ka the following year, ang gagawin mong entry, debit, cash, credit, interest,
May
income,
sobra.
and then credit,
May
uh,
sobra.
interest receivable. Ganun yung gagawin mo.
Yes, sir.
So, parang, titignan mo pa yung yung accrual mo nung last year.
Yes,
Ay
sir.
kung i-reverse mo na siya, hindi mo na titignan.
Yes, sir. Buo na lang na income.
Ganun siya.
Okay,
So for
sir.
convenience, for consistency purposes, saka for voluminous transaction, ganun yung ginagawa ng mga accountants. Alam niyo naman, so sa sobrang busy natin, wala na tayong time para gawin pa yung mga petty na bagay. Okay, so exercise 5. Tapos na po ba tayo sa exercise 5?
Yes, sir. Tapos na po, sir.
Alright. Exercise 2.
16, sir. Tapos ako.
Tapos na po. Exercise 7. Tapos na po ba?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Hindi siya nadaanan, sir, class.
Hindi pa natin. Okay, so try natin gawin.
Sige, sir.
Kuha tayo dito. Alright. Wait lang po Bear with me. Alright. So class, ganito lang yun, no? Kung gusto nyo parang accounting, yung presentation, di ba, right-click nyo lang siya, and then format cells, and then accounting, tapos so depende kung anong gusto nyo na currency, so prefer ko is wala para standard. Alright. And then, right. Let's try muna. Ano bang sabi nung exercise 6? Ay, exercise 6. Exercise 7. Sabi ni exercise 7, the work in process inventory of boys and paints was completely destroyed by fire on April 1, 2019. You were able to establish the physical inventory figures as follows. So meron daw raw materials, work in process, saka finished goods. So gawa tayo ng tatlong T account. Okay lang po ba na gumawa ako ng tatlong T account?
Okay, sir.
Alright, sige po. So for raw materials, in process, and then finished goods. Raw materials, inventory, work in process, inventory, and then finished goods, inventory. In case na mawala rin kayo sa sa Google Meet, i-chat niyo lang po ako na nawala po kayo so I can add you back. Okay. So raw materials inventory, normal balance, diba, is debit. So lagay natin yung ND sa credit. So lahat sila pare-pareho. Let's try. Okay. Okay. Tapos, tingnan natin yung nature ng behavior ng raw materials. Kailan siya lumalaki? Si raw materials. Kapag merong
Purchase.
raw materials purchases, diba?
Yes, sir.
Ano pa? So, raw materials purchases, gawin natin net na lang. Kasi, di ba, pag inventory, net ang purchases. Kapag payables, gross. Di ba? Naalala niyo po ba yung sinabi ko? Okay. And then, kailan lumiliit si raw materials? Kapag merong raw materials,
Usage.
used or usage. Okay. And then, work in process inventory. Kailan lumalaki? Kapag merong,
Indirect labor. Ay,
kapag
yung
merong raw
raw
materials,
materials used.
used, kapag merong direct
Direct
labor,
labor.
kapag merong factory,
Overhead.
overhead. Diba? Ang tatlong ito, anong tawag po dito sa tatlong ito?
Manufacturing costs.
Total manufacturing cost. Raw
Manufacturing.
materials plus direct labor, anong tawag po?
Ano nga yan? Prime cost.
Prime cost. Direct labor plus factory overhead.
Prime.
Conversion cost.
Conversion cost. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
So, prime cost plus conversion
Conversion.
cost, anong tawag doon? Pag pinagsama itong tatlo, anong tawag yan? Total manufacturing cost. Diba? Pag pinagsama ang raw materials used sa direct labor, prime cost. Pag pinagsama yung direct labor plus factory overhead, conversion cost. Ngayon, yung question, prime cost plus conversion cost, ano pong tawag?
Parang sobra yun.
False yun, sir.
Wala pong ganun.
Sobra yun, di ba, sir? Kasi nagdoble
Wala.
yung direct
Kasi nag-doble
materials.
si direct. Sino nag-doble? Si
Pero false po ba yun, sir?
labor.
Yung direct labor, sir. Sorry.
Total
Direct labor.
manufacturing cost.
Si direct labor.
Yes, sir.
Nag-doble si direct labor. So wala pong ganun na ina-add si prime cost saka si conversion.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, kailan naman lumiliit si work in process? Kapag merong cost of
Goods manufactured and completed.
goods manufactured. Alright. So, si finished goods, kailan naman lumalaki? Kapag merong
Cost of
Cost of
goods.
goods.
Yeah, add yung cost of goods manufactured.
and then kailan naman siya lumiliit? Kapag merong
Cost of goods sold.
of sales. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Nakuha po ba? So, alam na natin to. Alam na natin itong ganitong setup dahil alam niyo naman. So, let's try to plot. Beginning balance ni raw materials, magkano?
30,000.
30,000.
30,000. And then ending balance? Ay, binigay ko ba
50,000.
ending?
60.
Yes, sir.
50,000. And then may raw materials purchases po bang binigay?
Meron, sir.
Meron, sir.
Ano po?
100.
100. Tapos may freight in.
Sir, may fried.
Merong freight.
Freight in.
So magkano lahat po yun?
110.
110,000 pesos. So kaya na bang computein yung raw materials used?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Magkano po?
Squeeze. 80,000.
80,000. So raw materials used is 80,000 pesos. Nakuha po ba? So answer for number 2 is? Answer for number 2?
C.
80.
Number 2
80,000. Letter C.
is C. Number 2 is C.
Cisco. Charlie.
Ano ba to? Oh, exercise 7. So, alam na natin yung raw materials used, di ba? Kakopy lang natin yung raw materials used. May beginning balance pa si work in process. Magkano na po?
100,000.
100,000.
100,000 pesos. Meron po bang binigay na direct labor?
Yes, sir.
Meron, sir. 80,000.
80,000.
Magkano daw po?
80.
80,000 pesos. Okay. Binigay. Meron po bang binigay na factory overhead?
Meron, sir. 45% of direct labor.
45% ng direct labor. So, 80,000 times 45,
45. Yes, sir.
36,000.
36,000.
Nakukuha po ba?
Yes.
Nagigets po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes. O kaya na ba
Yes, sir.
natin compute
Yes,
yung
sir.
cost of goods manufactured?
Yes, sir.
Yung ending balance na ba?
Wala pa, sir.
None.
Tulad, sir.
Meron po ba?
So,
None.
Wala. Kaya sa 100 kasi, nagkaroon ng fire loss, di ba?
fire.
Tama po ba? Fire loss po ba or
Yes, sir.
flood?
Fire.
Fire loss daw. So, kailangan
Fire,
natin hanapin si ending inventory ng work in process. Ngayon, para mahanap si ending inventory ng work in process, hanapin natin si cost of goods manufactured. Paano natin mahanap si cost of goods manufactured?
Squeeze sa finished goods.
Squeeze natin kay finished goods. So, let's try. May beginning balance ba si finished goods?
Yes, sir. 140,000.
40,000.
140,000 pesos. May ending balance po ba na binigay?
120,000.
120,000 pesos. May cost of goods sold po bang binigay?
Meron, sir. 32.5% gross profit daw po based on sales.
Alright. So, ano daw po? Magkano daw po yung GP rate?
32.5%.
2.5%. So, yung cost of sales rate, magkano?
67.5%.
67.5%. So, 67.5% ng sales, di ba?
300,000. Yes, sir.
Magkano yung sales nyo?
300,000.
300,000.
300,000 pesos. So, 300,000 pesos times 67.5%. Magkano yung nakuha nyo na cost of sale?
202,500.
500. And, sir.
202,500. Kaya na po bang makompute si cost of goods manufactured?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Squeeze. 182,500.
182,500. So, answer for number 1. Anong sagot for number 1?
Letter D.
Number 1 is dog. And then, kaya na po bang computin si cost of goods manufactured? As the ending balance ng work in process inventory.
296,000.
Yes, sir.
Magkano po?
113,500.
100.
13,500.
Yan yung loss.
So, answer for number 4.
4.
4 is
500.
Letter A. Yung number 4.
so number 1 is dog. Number 2 is
C.
cat. Number
Yes,
3 is
Apple.
apple. Ano po yan? Total cost of goods placed in production. So, magkano yun?
Beginning. 296,000, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, 100,000 na beginning work in process plus raw materials used plus direct labor plus factory overhead,
Overhead.
296,000.
96,000.
Lagyan natin. Lagyan natin na ano yan? Total cost of goods placed in production. So anong number po yan? Number 3. Number 3 is apple.
Apple, yes, sir.
Nakuha po ba ng lahat?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Alright. So any question regarding exercise 7? Any question regarding exercise 7? Wala na po. Madali lang, di ba? Sobrang dali lang ng analysis of accounts. Parang naglalaro lang tayo. So, silence means yes. So, parang naglalaro lang tayo. So, okay. So, move on to next problem. Problem 1, nasagutan na po ba natin?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Problem 2, nasagutan na po ba natin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, problem 3, nasagutan na rin po ba natin?
Hindi pa, sir.
Ay,
Yung
ba?
sir.
So, sagutan natin. So, gamitin natin yung dito. Alright. So that is problem 3. So clear ulit natin. Clear natin lahat. Alright. Okay. Clear. Over. Alright. Okay. So anong sabi ng exercise ng problem 3? Basahin ko yung problem 3 ha. Analysis of balance sheet and income statement items. You were able to gather the following in connection with your audit of ASUS company for the year ended December 31, 2019. So, meron po ba kayong copy nung handouts natin?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
AR beginning and end, you have 6.4 and then 4 million. AP to trade creditors, 1,950,000 and then 2,520,000 beginning and then end. Accrued salaries, 85K, 125K. Prepaid advertising, 35K, 75K. Accrued advertising, 14,250, 40,000. Prepaid insurance, 25,000, 41,000. Inventory, 540,000, 320,000. Examination of the cash receipts and disbursement books revealed the following. Magkano daw yung nakolekta?
Well, 10 million.
10 million.
10. Total payments to suppliers of merchandise, 13,620,000. Salaries paid, 300,000. 3,050,000. Advertising paid, 300,000. Insurance paid, 125,000. During the year, it was necessary to write off uncollectible accounts in the amount of 100,000 pesos. So, itabi nyo na lang muna yan na sinabi daw mag-write off daw ng 100,000 pesos. And then expected credit loss amounted to 200,000 pesos. So, aware na kayo sa term na to, no? Ito yung bad debts expense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pag sinabing expected credit loss. Aware na po kayo, di ba? Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So, ano pong hinahanap? Net sales, pricing expense, saka insurance expense. Pag hinanap ang net sales, saan tayo mag-uumpisa? Saan tayo titingin?
AR.
Kapag naghanap po ng
AR,
net
sir.
accounts receivable. So, tama po yun. Very good. Accounts receivable. So, gagawa lang ako ng accounts receivable na T-account. Yan, boy. Water, please. And then, allowance for doubtful account. So, beginning balance. Okay lang po ba? Shortcut na ako. Beginning balance, BD. Ending balance, ED. Kailan lumalaki? Kapag merong sales on account. And then, lumalaki kapag merong recoveries. Lumiliit kapag merong collections. Lumiliit kapag merong sales returns and allowances, sales discounts, write-offs. So, hindi ko nalalagyan ng sa notes receivable kasi wala naman dun sa transaction. And then, allowance for doubtful account.
Credit beginning.
Beginning balance, credit. Ending balance, debit. Lumalaki kapag merong expected credit loss
Expected.
or bad debts.
And
And then,
recoveries.
lumiliit kapag merong
Write-off.
lumalaki kapag merong recoveries, and then lumiliit kapag merong write-off.
Write-off.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beginning balance ba ng AR? Magkano po beginning balance ng AR?
6.4 million.
6.4 million.
1,400,000 pesos. And then ending balance,
4.1.
4,100,000 pesos. And then meron po bang collection?
Write-off.
Meron po bang collection? May collection po
10
ba?
million, sir. Sabi po sa,
10
given na data.
So 10 million. Sales returns and allowances, meron po ba?
None.
Wala, sir.
Sales discount,
Wala rin po.
Write-off, meron po ba write-off?
Meron, sir. 100,000.
Magkano
100.
po? 100,000 pesos. And then may recovery po ba?
None.
Wala pong sinabi, di ba?
Wala po, sir.
So kaya na ba ang compute yung sales?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Squeeze.
Okay, so magkano ang sales?
7.8 million.
7 million
800,000.
800. Yeah. So 7 million 800,000.
Yes, sir.
Nakuha po ba ng lahat ito? So number 1 answer is ano ang answer for number 1?
Si po.
Letter.
Letter C.
Number 2, net purchases. Sorry, gawin muna natin yung allowance for doubtful account. Meron po bang beginning balance yung allowance?
100.
Meron po ba? Beginning
Wala,
balance
sir.
ng allowance? Wala.
Wala, sir. Wala.
So, 0
Zero.
to beginning balance. Ending balance, meron po ba?
Meron, sir.
100,000.
Or ito yung hinahanap?
Wala rin. Ay, 100,000, sir. May given.
100.
Yes, sir.
And then, write-off. Magkano po yung write-off?
100,000 din, sir.
100,000. Kasi yun yung nasa receivable, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, meron po bang recovery? Wala. Kasi wala rin
Wala
sa
rin, sir.
receivable. Magkano yung bad debts?
Wala. 0.
200.
Magkano yung bad debts?
200.
Magkano yung bad debts?
Yung expected.
Bad debts is also known as expected credit loss. So, magkano po? 200,000 pesos. Nagigit po ba kayo sa expected credit loss saka sa bad debts? Can you still hear me, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ito lang pag sinabing bad debts, ito yung expected credit loss. Alam nyo na ang bad debt is also known as doubtful account or uncollectible account, pero may another term siya, expected credit loss or credit loss. Yun yung kanyang another term. Alright. So, number 2, net purchases. Kapag naghanap tayo ng net purchases, saan tayo titingin?
Accounts payable.
Inventory.
Anong account na hanapin natin?
AP.
Saan po? Net purchases daw.
AP.
Net
O
purchases.
sa inventory.
Net
Plus inventory. Pero sa AP pwede.
sa inventory. Napa po ba?
Yes, sir.
Kasi kapag kay accounts payable,
Naka-gross kasi sa ako.
gross. Kukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba,
Okay, sir.
class? Alright. So, beginning balance ng inventory debit. So, lagay natin ending balance. Kabila. Lumalaki siya kapag merong purchases net. Lumiliit kapag merong cost of sales. Si accounts payable, beginning balance, naka-credit. Kaya ending balance, lagay natin sa debit. Lumalaki si accounts payable kapag merong purchases
Purchases.
gross. Lumiliit kapag merong payments. Nakuha
Ulit.
po ba? Nagigets po ba?
Payments. Yes, sir.
Alright. Magkano beginning balance ni accounts payable?
1,950,000.
Yes, sir.
1,950,000 pesos. Magkano ending balance?
2,520,000, sir.
2,520,000 pesos. Magkano yung payments? Nakita niyo po ba yung payments? nakasulat?
Yes, sir.
13,620,000.
13,620,000 pesos. And then, kaya na po bang i-squeeze yung gross purchases?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Magkano po?
14,190,000.
14,190,000
1,000.
pesos. Nakuha po ba? So this is the gross. Ngayon, meron po bang binanggit na purchase returns and allowances, purchase discounts?
Wala po, sir.
Na,
Wala po. So lumalabas yung gross purchases, siya rin yung kanyang net purchases. So answer for number 2 is
Charlie.
letter,
C po.
letter, ano
Dog.
po?
dog, sir.
Dog.
14,190.
Dog pala, sir.
Yes, sir.
4,190,000 pesos. May beginning balance po ba yung inventory? Meron po ba?
Meron, sir.
Meron, sir.
Magkano po?
540,000.
540. Ending balance, 320,000.
20,000.
Kaya na po bang computein yung cost of sale?
Yes, sir.
Kung magkano po yung cost of sale?
14,410.
14,410,000.
410. Yes, sir.
Alright. And then, anong susunod na hinahanap? Salaries, expense. Kapag salaries, expense yung hinahanap, kung tayo titingin na account.
Salaries. Payable.
Salaries, payable.
Or accrued
Salaries
salaries.
payable. Or accrued salaries. Nakukuha po
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Tama po ba? Accrued salary. So, gamitin natin yung term na accrued salary kasi yun yung nasa problem. So, normal balance, debit. So, lagyan natin normal balance ng accrued salaries, credit. So, beginning balance nasa credit and then ending balance nasa debit. Malaki kapag merong expense, kumiliit kapag merong payments. Kukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nakukuha po ba? Nagigets po ba? Alright. Magkano ang beginning balance ng salaries payable?
Beginning, sir, 85,000.
Ano po beginning balance ng accrued
85.
salaries?
85,000 po.
₱85,000 pesos. Okay, thank you. And then magkano ang ending balance?
125,000. 5,000. 120.
125,000 pesos. And then, meron po bang payments? Payments related sa salaries?
Meron, sir. 3 million and
Magkano po?
3,050,000.
3,050,000. Kaya na po ba natin computein yung salaries expense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, magkano po?
390, sir.
3,090,000.
3,090,000. Boy, sir.
390. So, answer for number 3 is boy. Pa po ba?
Yes, sir.
And then, ano pang hinahanap? Advertising expense.
Wag ka. Oh. Ay,
Advertising expense. Kaso sa advertising expense, saan natin siya pwedeng makita? Sa accrued advertising, saka sa prepaid advertising, di ba?
Advertising.
Advertising, and then prepaid advertising.
Advertising.
So, prepaid advertising, beginning balance debit. So, lagyan natin ending balance sa credit. Lumalaki kapag merong payment. Lumiliit kapag merong
Lumiliit. Expense.
kapag may expense.
May
Expense po.
The accrued
Yes, sir.
advertising, beginning balance,
Is credit.
Credit, sir.
Debit yung
Credit.
end.
so ending balance
And
is end.
Is debit.
Lumalaki kapag merong expense.
Payment.
Lumiliit kapag
Ay,
merong
expense, sorry.
payment.
Merong payment.
Alright. So, meron po bang ending balance sa accrued advertising?
Yes, sir.
meron, sir.
Kano po?
40,000 pesos.
40,000 ending balance.
40.
Beginning balance.
14 to
Is
15
14
po.
to
14,250. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba? And then, meron po bang beginning balance si prepaid advertising?
meron,
Meron
sir.
35,000.
35,000
Magkano?
po.
35.
35,000. Ending balance. Magkano po?
75,000.
75,000. Since pareho sila ng nature, parehong related sa advertising, pwede bang pagsamahin na lang yung expense? Pwede bang pagsamahin
Yes,
na lang
sir.
yung expense? Magkano yung total payment na binayaran related sa advertising?
300,000. 300,000, sir.
300,000 pala. 300,000.
Yes, sir.
So,
Out.
300,000 yung payment. So, magkano ang expense?
285,750.
Yes, sir.
285,750.
50. Letter B.
Answer for number 4
Per
is
4.
boy.
Yes, sir.
All right. And then last one is insurance expense. Okay, insurance expense, saan natin hahanapin?
Prepaid insurance.
Prepaid insurance, sir.
Prepaid insurance. Meron po bang accrued insurance? Nakalagay dyan.
Wala po, sir.
Wala po.
Wala. Okay. So, beginning balance ni prepaid insurance, 25,000. Ending balance,
41,000.
payment. Magkano payment kay prepaid insurance?
125,000 po siya.
125,000 pesos. So, kaya na po bang computein yung expense?
Yes, sir.
109,000.
109,000 pesos. So, answer for number 5 is
B.
boy. Nakukuha po ba? Nagigets po ba? Madali lang po ba yung analysis of account? Kayang-kaya na po ba?
Yes, sir.
Po.
Alright. Problem 4. Problem 4. Problem 4. Okay. Ano bang sabi ni problem 4? Nokia Incorporated has cash receipts and disbursement records that are summarized as follows for 2018, its first year of operation. Kailan daw yung first year of operation ni Nokia?
2018. 2018.
2018. So, tandaan na lang po natin yan. Okay. So, we have cash receipts and then cash disbursements. Magkano yung cash receipts? 128,000 pesos. And then we have cash disbursements, 82,500. Magkano yung cash basis profit nila?
45.
45,500.
45,500.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Management wants you to compute its net income by accrual accounting principle. So, from cash basis na ginawa, gusto daw mag-report using the accrual basis of accounting. You have identified the following items that may impact your computation. Anong sabi? Depreciation of plant assets for 2018 computed by straight line method is magkano?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000 pesos. So, gagawa na lang muna ako. Ito, gawin ko siya.
10,500, sir.
Sir,
10,500.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sige, salamat. Ito, ang gawin natin is kakaibang approach naman. Same approach din siya. I mean, same concept, pero ibahin lang natin yung approach naman dito. Hindi tayo gagamit ng T-account. Kasi parang kaya naman siyang gawin ng hindi T-account. So, let's try. Anong sabi daw? May cash receipts daw eh. Magkano yung cash receipts niya? 128,000 pesos. Tama.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then we have cash disbursement. Na magkano?
82,500.
82,500. So this is our cash basis. Diba? Cash basis. Cash basis net income. Okay. So this is our cash basis net income. Ano yung sabi ng una? May depreciation daw ng plant assets noong 2018 using straight line method, 10,500. Depreciation. The depreciation is an expense, di ba? Yes. So we have to add it as part of the cash disbursement. Kasi cash disbursements are expense from the point of view ng cash basis net income. And then, ano pang sumunod? Prepaid insurance na 1,800, 2/3 of which relates to 2019. Is included in 2018 cash disbursement figure. This amount was recognized as insurance expense when it was paid. So, nakalagay daw doon yung insurance binayaran ng buo noong 2019. 2018. And then nakalagay siya as part ng cash disbursement. Ngayon, yung cash disbursement na ito, may portion pala dyan ng insurance na prepaid pa, di ba? So magkano yung prepaid insurance na yun?
1,200.
600.
Ano pa yung prepaid insurance?
1,200.
1,000?
200.
So sobra yung expense ng 1,200, di ba? So bawasan natin yung expense.
Yes, sir.
And then letter C. Nokia received 12,000 pesos in advance rent for office space in its building. The entire amount is included in the cash receipts. So nasa cash receipts naman yung 12,000 na advance rent. So doon naman sa cash receipt na yung advance rent. So aalisin ba natin yung unearned portion?
Yes, sir.
Magkano yung unearned rent?
7.
Anong sabi? However, 7,000 of it for
7,000.
fees that will be provided in 2019. So, sobra daw yung cash receipts, income,
Yes, sir.
na magkano? 7,000 pesos. So,
7,000.
dapat
So, yun.
bawas. Magkano po? 7,000. So, babawasan. Alright. Tapos ano pa? Letter D. Employees are due 2,800 at the end of 2018. So, meron tayong salaries payable, di ba? Magkano yung salaries payable?
2,800, sir.
2,800. Itong salaries payable na to, expense yan, no? Na naka-accrue, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Pero hindi siya part ng cash disbursement. So, idagdag natin siya as part ng expense. And then, E, interest amounting to 3,170 from investment is receivable at the end of the year. Receivable pa siya, so kasama ba siya as part ng receipt or wala? Wala pa.
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa po siya kasama, sir.
Hindi pa kasama.
Hindi pa kasama. So,
Yes, sir.
ilalagay natin siya dahil wala pa siyang cash flow. Pero,
Yes, sir.
na-earn na natin yung income. So, magkano yung isasama natin? 3,170.
70.
All right. And then you estimate that your 2018 fee for accounting services that have not been billed will be 500 pesos. So meron kang accounting fees, di ba? Ikaw kasi yung gumawa nung cash basis to accrual basis. So you have accounting fees, magkano po? 500.
500 pesos.
Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So magkano na yung adjusted revenue?
124,170.
100
24,170.
24,170. And then magkano yung adjusted expense?
95,100.
95,100. So
Yes, sir.
magkano yung net income?
29,070.
Yes, sir. Tama.
Accrual basis net income. So ang accrual basis net income mo is 29,070. So answer for number 3 is
Net.
answer for number 3 is
Boy.
boy.
Dear boy.
3 is boy. And then number 2 is
Cat, Charlie.
cat. Number 1 is
Number 1 is C. Cat.
okay.
Yes.
Alright. So any question regarding problem 4? Any question?
Okay lang din po no na i-T account.
Pwede rin mag-T account. Pwede mag-T account. Ginawa ko lang dito is parang different approach lang. So parang hindi kayo ma-bore doon sa sa T account. Pero kung mas madali manadadalian kayo sa T account, okay lang. 'Di ba?
Okay, sir.
All right. So any question regarding problem 4? Any question? May question po bang class?
None.
Wala po yata, sir.
Wala po. Okay. So, let's try problem 5. Problem 5. Anong meron naman sa problem 5?
Meron po.
Change in accounting
Change in accounting estimate.
estimate. Kailan tayo nagkakaroon ng change in accounting estimate?
Change in depreciation method.
Pag nag-adjust po ng
Kailan
method,
nagkakaroon ng
o
change in
nag-change.
accounting estimate?
Change in the method of depreciation.
Pag nagbago po ng percent
So, sorry.
sa allowance for budgets.
Accounting estimate kapag merong ano mga example?
Change in the method of
Mga example ng
depreciation.
changes in accounting estimate.
Change in method of depreciation.
Change in the method, changes in
The method of
the
depreciation.
method of
Depreciation.
depreciation.
Tapos change in use.
Bakit? Yun yung question natin. Bakit nagkakaroon ng changes sa method of depreciation?
For example, sir, for example, as time passes by, technological advance,
Bakit po kayo nagkakaroon ng change?
maybe technological changes, sir, may make the assets more depreciable or obsolete. So their methods of depreciation would change. Di ba ba? Nakatala ko. So sir, yung further assessment of the assets, sir.
Yes, tama po yan.
Yung sa
So yung changes, there are changes
Ayun, technological changes. Okay.
sa
of depreciation kapag merong technological change. Merong obsolescence, saka ano pa po meron?
pag nagbabago sir yung ano, pattern ng consumption. Okay.
Kapag merong change
Yung ano
sa
sir, yung
useful life,
yes sir, yung pattern ng consumption.
of asset, consumption part,
Yes sir, consumption pattern.
so, like, for example, yung mga um, ginagamit nating machinery, mining companies kasi naka-out base sila. So, it is, ano lang, 50 thousand tons ang kaya nilang extract na minerals. Pero later on, yung na-assess nila is hindi lang pala 50,000 tons, kundi 60,000 tons. So, ito depreciation. Or sa PAT, diba? Bakit yung changes in method of depreciation is ano lang siya, accounting estimate lang? Bakit hindi siya change in accounting policy?
Yung application po kasi sir, prospectively lang.
Pag nagbago ka ng method, accounting estimate lang daw siya, hindi siya accounting policy.
Ano po? Dahil
Yung
po ba sir,
application
dahil
na
lang sa prospective yung
pers-
ano, yung
effective kasi naka-base lang siya sa ang depreciation kasi is estimate, 'di ba?
Yes
Hindi
sir.
natin na-ensure
hindi
exactly
naman siya na
kung performing pa rin pa ba yung asset at end of its life, 'di ba?
yes.
Kaya,
Yes sir,
Yes sir.
tama po.
Tsaka sir, pag change in accounting policy kasi sir,
can you
para
see
sir,
it
nag-o-occur lang yun sir pag
again?
merong,
Sorry.
yung ano sir, yung change in accounting policy sir, ano lang yun, pag meron changes or pag merong occurrence sa ano, recognition or measurement ng item or ng line item sir. So hindi po siya mako-consider. Tsaka sir, yung sa perspective na rin, hindi po kasi siya retroactive.
Yes sir.
Perspective sir.
Tsaka yung depreciation sir, hindi naman po siya naka-affect sa prior periods.
Ayun sir, yun.
Unlike
So,
yung, for example, yung sa change in accounting principle or policy, yung pinaka ginagamit na example po ron yung change in inventory costing, yung costing ng inventory sir. For example, from FIFO to moving average. Ang mangyari sir, i-change nyo pa yung existing sa mga nakaraan
Retroactively.
actively.
Po yun. So, one example sa change in accounting estimate, so yung changes sa method ng depreciation, kasi method of depreciation is only just an estimate. Diba? Pag nagde-depreciate tayo,
Yes.
naka-base yun sa estimate. Kaya accounting estimate na rin siya. Kuha po ba? And then number 2, ano pa yung mga changes in accounting estimate? Changes in
Budgets.
bad debt
Allowance.
estimation, di ba? Estimation ng bad debts. Dati 10%, tapos syempre nakita natin, parang nagbabayad na sila, so 5% na lang. So based yun sa experience naman. Based sa experience. Tapos estimate na din. Kasi we're not, hindi natin control yung customers. Kaya estimate lang yung kay customer. Ano pa po
Yes,
yung mga
sir.
example?
Yung sa bad debts estimation, Sir, kasama din po yung ano, no? For example, you only, in this period, you base your bad debts estimation based on AR aging. Tapos sa next period, sir, mag-change
Opo.
kayo
Oo.
based on net sales na.
Warranty liability po.
Kasama po yun. Ano pa po? Yung example? So, tama po yun, yung sa bad debts estimation. So, kung mag-balance sheet approach ka or income statement approach, change in accounting estimate pa rin siya. Kasi yung in-estimate mo, yung bad debts. Nagigets po ba?
Yes, sir.
Kasi,
Alright. And then next is the warranties. Kasama din.
Warranty
Ano pa po? Ano pa kaya yung mga ano, kasama sa
liability.
warranties? So, kasama na rin po doon. Ano pa? Provisions. Diba? And contingencies. Ano pa?
Liability.
Inventory. Ano yung meron sa inventory? Inventory. Ano yun?
yung obsolete, sir, ng ano, inventories.
Obsolete inventories.
Kasi,
Yan. So, ito yung mga nasa sakop ng accounting estimate. Changes in accounting estimate. Since change lang siya in accounting estimate, application is applied prospectively. So, prospective application yung change in accounting estimate. Alright. So, any question regarding change in accounting estimate? Any question regarding change in accounting estimate?
wala po yata, sir.
Wala pa. Okay. So, let's start. Let's try to answer. Right. Problem 5. BlackBerry Company decided on January 2, 2019 to review its accounting practices. This is due to the changing economic conditions in the industry. The following changes will be effective as of January 1, 2019. A. BlackBerry decided to change its allowance for bad debts from 2% to 4% of its outstanding receivable balance. BlackBerry's receivable balance of December 30, 2019, 9,000 pesos. As for the sa balance of 2,000 pesos before adjust. So, ito sabi, gawa di ako ba? Gumawa yung account. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Class,
Medyo
can you still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Medyo naglalag lang po, sir. Nawawala lang po kayo kanina.
Medyo nagcha-choppy-choppy lang, sir, ganun.
Alright. So, alright. Allowance. So, yung letter A daw is more on allowance for bad debts. So, allowance for bad debts Normal balance, credit. So, beginning balance doon. And then, ending balance nasa debit. So, lumalaki siya kapag merong
Debit.
bad debts, expense, di ba? Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Post ka na, Phil.
Ha?
Na-disconnect si sir.
Nag-chat si sir, I'll return back na wala po ako.
Oo nga eh.
Hi class, can you hear me
Yes,
again?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me present again. So nawala ako. Alright. Ito ba yun? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So ang sabi nung problem 5, naka-focus daw siya doon sa may sa change in allowance for bad debts, di ba? Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
So ito yung normal behavior ng allowance for bad debts. Credit balance niya, credit balance siya. So lagay natin yung beginning balance sa credit. And then lumalaki siya kapag merong bad debts expense. And then lumiliit kapag merong write-off, di ba?
Right off.
And then lumalaki kapag merong recoveries.
Covers.
Tapos ending balance, lagay natin sa kabila. Pero anong sabi ng problem? Ang allowance for bad debt daw ay merong debit balance, di ba? So meron siyang debit balance. Kaya ilagay natin yung beginning balance sa debit balance. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba? Alright. So 2,000 pesos. And then meron po bang ending balance?
Wala, sir.
Meron, sir. Debit po yung ending balance niya.
Ano pong sabi? Sorry. Allowance for bad debts has a debit balance of 2,000 pesos before adjustment. So lumalabas kapag before adjustment, siya yung kanyang
Ano,
value.
sir? Ano, sir?
Hello, narinig niyo pa po ba ako?
Beginning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So meron daw
Yung
siyang
Beginning, sir. Before.
yung beginning niya po, sir, debit 200. 2,000, I mean.
2,000.
2,000 pesos. Okay, so beginning balance is 2,000 pesos. So debit balance. So kaya natin
Yes,
siya
sir.
nilagay sa debit side. Tapos,
Yes, sir.
ngayon, ang sabi, ang ending balance daw will be computed based saan? Sa 4% ng outstanding
4%.
accounts receivable. So magkano accounts
AR.
receivable?
690,000.
690.
690,000 pesos times 4%. So
4%.
magkano na yung ending balance? Ang totoong ending balance talaga.
27.
27,600.
And then magkano yung bad debts expense?
29,600.
29.
29,600. Nakuha po ba? So nakuha na natin yung bad debts expense. So what will be our journal entry for the change in accounting estimate?
Debit bad debts
Debit
expense.
budget.
Debit bad debts.
Expense.
Okay. Bad debts expense, magkano?
29,000.
29,600. And credit,
Allowance.
allowance for bad debts. Magkano po? 29,600.
100.
Okay. And then letter B. So what will be your answer sa number 1? Number 1 is?
A.
A, sir.
A.
Number 1 is A.
A.
Okay, so number 1 A. And then letter B. Anong sabi ng letter B? BlackBerry decided to use the straight line method of depreciation on each equipment instead of sum of the years digit method. It was also decided that this asset has 10 more years of useful life as of January 2, 2019. The equipment was purchased on January 1, 2009 at a cost of 1,100,000 pesos. On the acquisition date, it was estimated that the equipment would have a 15-year useful life with no residual value. So ano pong sabi? Saan daw siya nagsimula? From
Straight,
From SYD.
from some of the years
Some of the
digit siya, di ba?
Yes, sir.
SYD papuntang
Straight line.
straight
Straight
line,
line.
di ba? So, anong gagawin natin? Pag mag-compute ng sum of the years digit,
Para makuha po, sir, yung
Merong formula yun, sir.
N times N plus 1 over 2.
Yes, sir. Tama.
sorry,
For example, sir,
para
15,
ma-compute,
di ba po, sir, 15 years po yung original useful life. So, ang gagawin po ron, 50. Yes, sir.
alright, sige po.
Useful life or N times
Mhm.
N plus 1 divided by 2.
10 plus 1. So, di ba, lumalabas 15
Ah,
years,
15 times,
Times.
open close parenthesis. Open close
16, yes,
6. Yeah. Divided by 2.
di ba? You get 240, di ba? Divided
Yes, sir.
by
2.
2. So, ano yung nakuha yung
120.
denominator?
120, sir.
120 as denominator for sum of the years digit method, di ba?
Yes, sir.
And then, ilang years na siya? Ilang years na siya
10.
10 years.
operate?
Yes. 10 years.
10 years. So, paano natin makukuha yung depreciation using sum of the years digit kapag 10 years na siya? So, we work backwards, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, ilan yon? 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus
Yes,
11 plus 10.
10, 9.
Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Plus 9
9, 8,
plus 8 plus
7,
7 plus
6.
6.
Yan lang, sir.
10
Ay,
years na
may 5
ba yan?
pa pala. May 5 pa pala. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ilang years na po yan? Sige nga po. Check niyo po kung ilang years na yan.
January 2009 to January 2019. 10 years, sir.
Yan, 6 lang.
10 years. So, ilan na yung digit na nakikita niyo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
So, 10 na siya. So, lumalabas, 105 yung numerator for sum of the years digit method. Kuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
So, paano makuha yung accumulated depreciation? Sum of the years digit, we have 105 over 120. So, magkano po yung cost ni equipment?
1,100,000.
1,100,000 pesos. Meron po bang salvage value?
Wala po, sir.
Wala po. So, diretso na natin. Times 105 over 120. Magkano yung accumulated depreciation?
800, iba kasing ginawa ko.
Okay.
105.
Ako rin iba yung ginawa.
Magkano yung accumulated depreciation?
110. Wait, sir.
1,100,000 times 105 over 120.
Times
96,000. Ay,
962,500.
962,500. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Gets ba?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then, mula dito, mag-change daw to straight line method, di ba? Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So, magkano yung book value na lang ni equipment? Magkano yung cost niya originally? 1,100,000 pesos. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
And then, magkano yung accumulated depreciation?
962.
962,500. So, magkano yung book value?
137,500.
137,500. So, ilang years na lang daw yung natitira?
5.
Anong sabi? Visa assist.
15, sir.
Di ba 15 years siya initially dinepreciate
Ay,
since
apa.
some of the years DG.
5, sir.
So, ang natira na lang is 5 years.
5. Yes,
Pero
sir.
based on new assessment, ilang years pa daw siya useful?
10. Additional of 10.
Sorry,
5 na lang po yung natitira, sir. Tapos may
Additional
additional 10.
sige po, intindihin po natin ng maigi ha. Intindihin natin ng maigi. May 5 years pa natitira. Tapos ano yung sabi nung problem?
May 10 more years pa na dagdag.
It
Yes.
was also decided that this asset has 10 more years of
Yes, sir.
useful life
Yes, sir.
as of January 2, 2000. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
2019.
2019.
So, ilang years na lahat ng useful life niya?
15 na.
Letter A, 5. Letter B, 10. Letter C, 15. What's the answer?
15, sir. 15.
Answer is
15.
15.
Yes, sir.
It's wrong.
Mali.
5.
15 is wrong.
5, sir.
Correct answer is?
5.
Correct answer is 10. Correct answer is 10. Kasi ang sabi, it was also decided, so napag-desisyonan daw, na yung asset daw ay meron pa daw 10 years. Simula February 2, 2019.
Ayaw nga pala.
Nakuha po ba? So, hindi siya additional aside from the 5 years. So, ilang years? 10 years. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, divide natin yung 137,500 by 10 useful years. So, magkano yung annual depreciation?
13,750.
Annual depreciation using straight line depreciation method. 13,750.
50.
So, what will be our entry?
Debit depreciation expense.
Debit depreciation expense.
Debit depreciation expense 13,750 and then credit accumulated depreciation. Alright, nakikita pa po ba yung screen ko?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, problem 6, change in accounting policy. Change in accounting policy. Kailan nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy? Kailan po nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy?
Change in inventory costing method.
Sorry.
Change in the method of inventory costing, sir.
Change sa inventory costing or inventory cost flow method. So, kailan to? Pag merong change in method from, sabihin natin, from LIFO to FIFO. Or from FIFO to weighted average. Saka po ba? Ano pa? Kailan pa nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy? Kailan daw nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy? Kapag merong two policies available for use. Tapos, you can use where the company, where the entity can use alternatively. The two policies available for use where the entity can use alternatively. Pero, syempre, kailangan reasonable yung pag-change sa accounting policy. Hindi lang basta-basta dahil gusto nila, ay, this year gusto ko FIFO, next year gusto ko weighted average. Tapos next year, ay, naisipan ko specific identification. So, hindi ganun po yun. So, kailangan yung change in accounting policy, mag-create siya into a more fairer, into a fairer presentation ng financial statement. Nakukuha po ba? So, hindi lang basta-basta tayo mag-change in accounting policy. Kailan din tayo nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy?
If the, for example, if the IFRS has declared the policy as, if the IFRS has introduced a better policy to faithfully present the FS.
Tama po yun. So, ito po yun. If there are mandatory changes in IFRS standard. Nakukuha po ba? Ano example ng mandatory changes sa accounting standards? So, dati, from ES 18, di ba? Revenue, nag-change tayo to IFRS
15.
Revenue from contracts
with customers.
Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, yan yung example. So, let's try to answer problem 6. Motorola Incorporated has been using FIFO method of inventory cost flow since it began operations in 2018. In 2019, the company decided to change to the weighted average method. The following are the December 31 balances under each method. So, anong sabi? Requirement, prepare the entry, if any, that should be made to record the changes in inventory costing method. Ignore the tax consideration. Kapag nagkakaroon ng change in accounting policy, we apply it
retrospectively.
Retrospectively. So kapag in-apply natin siya retrospectively, kailan natin siya i-apply?
At the earliest.
Nag-apply tayo retrospectively.
At the earliest period of the comparative FS, sir. Tama ba?
Tama po yun. So, at the earliest, meron pang kasunod, practicable.
Ay,
Practicable period. So, kailangan practicable yung period. Kung hindi mo kaya, hindi practical na i-restate mo siya doon sa period na yon, yung pinakamalapit na period na lang. Nakuha po ba?
yes, sir.
Nag-get po ba? So, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng restatement, kung meron lang tayo accounting 101 ulit ha, pag nagkaroon tayo ng restatement due to change in accounting policy. I-restate natin yung current year, di ba? Sabihin natin 2020 yung current year. In current year, yun na yung pinaka effect nung change in accounting policy. Tapos i-restate din natin yung prior year, di ba? Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Guess po ba? Pero dahil may change in accounting policy, anong sabi? We should apply it retrospectively at the earliest practicable period. So magkakaroon tayo ng pangatlong period. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba? So ito yung current
Yes, sir.
period mo. (2020), tapos i-restate mo yung previous year para mag-effect din yung change in accounting policy. Tapos, i-restate mo rin yung earliest applicable period. Nakukuha po ba? So, may makikita kayong mga financial statements na yan kung sino po bang nag-OJT sa Big Four? Meron po ba nag-OJT? PwC, Ernst & Young, KPMG?
Meron po dyan.
Meron po, no? So, etong earliest practicable period, ang tawag po dyan ay third balance sheet. So, third balance sheet ang tawag po dyan. This is the third balance sheet. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Gets po ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, let's try to answer na. Let's try to answer problem 6. So, nagkaroon ng changes. So, what will be our entry? Debit. Debit.
Inventory beginning.
Inventory.
Inventory.
Magkano po? Beginning. Magkano po?
110.
110,000 pesos. And then credit.
18 earnings.
Anong credit?
Written earnings.
In earnings. 110,000 pesos. If we will apply retrospectively, lahat ng retrospective application, i-close natin sa retained earnings. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Unless there is a specific accounting standard na mag-require na hindi siya i-close sa retained earnings.
Okay, sir.
Nakukuha po ba? Nagigets po ba?
Yes, sir.
Ngayon,
Yes, sir.
ayun naman class,
Yes, sir.
yung retrospective application na ito, based pa to sa International Accounting Standard. Ang sabi kasi ni International Accounting Standard, if there is a change in accounting policy, you apply it retrospectively. Pero ang application daw doon is full retrospective application. Nakakuha po ba? Nagigets po ba?
Yes, sir.
So yun yung sabi ni Yes. Pero si IFRS, pumapayag si IFRS na okay lang kahit hindi ka full retrospective application. You can also apply modified retrospective application. So you have the choice to retrospectively apply it, the change in accounting policy, either modified retrospectively or full retrospective application. So yan yung kay IFRS na. So sabi ni IFRS, kapag mag-retrospective application, pwede ka mamili kung modified or full retrospective application. Kukuha po ba? Nagigat po ba?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Problem 7. Problem 7. Change in accounting principle. Problem 7. Change in accounting principle. So, si change in accounting principle, pareho lang ba si change in accounting principle saka si change in accounting policy?
Yes.
Yes. Pareho lang sila. So, you have the option to apply it modified retrospective application or full retrospective application. Anong sabi nung problem 7?
See.
To save money and keep the nature of its plant assets from being widely known, AT&T has constructed many of its plant assets. During 2019, the company changed the way it determined the cost of these assets by including in the cost those amounts that were previously treated as expense when incurred. Both the previous method and the newly adopted method are generally accepted. Management believes that the new method more closely approximates the company's investment in the assets, and the depreciation on the new cost method provides a superior matching of revenues and expenses. The previous method has been used since 2017 when the company began operation. Information from 2017 to 2019 has been accumulated as follows. Nakikita po ba yung mga nakikita po ba sa ano nyo, sa sarili nyong handouts?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So hindi ka na, paki-check nyo na lang. The plant assets affected by the change in accounting principle are depreciated over 5-year life with no salvage value. A full year's depreciation is taken in the year the assets are constructed. The impact of the change in accounting principle is limited to the capitalization of expenditures and the related impact on depreciation expense. The company had 210,000 shares of common stock outstanding throughout 2017 to 2019. The company's effective income tax rate for purposes of recognizing income tax expense is 30%. Previous method of determining the cost of its asset will continue to be used for purposes of determining the income tax liability. So ano yung requirement number 1? Compute the cumulative effect of the change in accounting principle that should be included in the 2019 net income. So pag sinabi daw, compute the cumulative effect of the change in accounting principle. So sinabi ng problem, cumulative. Ano po? Cumulative effect. So nanghihingi siya ng modified retrospective application. Nakakasunod po ba, class?
Yes, sir.
Nakakasunod po ba? Alright.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, try natin. Sagutan natin ha. So, letter A daw, di ba? Letter A, nanghihingi siya ng cumulative effect. So, we have years 2019, di ba? 2019 and then 2018. Tama po ba? 2019 and 2018. Nakakasunod pa po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So meron daw cost, expense, during the year. Ano yung mga cost and expense during the year na supposedly hindi siya dapat i-expense? Ano yung mga cost na in-expense during the year na dapat hindi in-expense? Sorry. This is, mali ako. This is 2017 and then this is 2018. Ito pa bago. Ano yung mga cost na in-expense ng 2017 saka 2018 na hindi dapat siya in-expense? Hindi dapat kinapitalize.
Wala.
Including the capitalization costs.
Check niyo po yung nasa handouts. Anong sabi ng handouts? Expenditures incorporated in accounting change. Expenses in 2017 and 2018. Magkano daw? 45,000 saka 50,000. Ano daw ito? Mga asset daw to. Pero anong ginawa nila? In-expense nila. Kuha po ba? So, ano yung in-expense noong 2017? 50,000. In-expense noong 2018? 45,000.
Sir, baliktad po yan.
Sorry.
Baliktad po yung exit. Yung year.
Yung year? Sige nga po, pakicheck nga po.
Hindi, sir, ano?
Pakicheck.
Ay, tama po pala. Sorry,
Okay na po ba? Alright. So, okay na po, no? May question pa po ba? So, ito yung in-expense noong previous years. Nagigets po ba? These are the cost, expense during the year na supposedly capitalized kasi asset sila. So, magkano yung in-expense noong 2017 saka 2018? 95,000 pesos. Ako po ba? And then, meron silang ginawa depreciation noong 2017 saka 2018. Kaso dapat part siya nung capitalized cost ng assets. Ha? So, depreciation expense on 2017. Magkano yung depreciation expense ng 2017?
35.
35,000.
I'm so sorry, class.
35,000, sir. Sir? 35,000
Yes po.
35,000.
35,000. Ano po, saan po yung tinignan nyo? Yung nandoon sa pangalawang item, depreciation expense including depreciation on additional capitalized cost in 2017 na 35,000 pesos. Pero hindi po yan yung hinahanap natin.
Opo, sir.
Kasi po, ito po yung, i-check nyo yung cost expense during the year. Ano yung cost na in-expense during 2017 saka 2018 na dapat hindi in-expense agad? Magkano yun? Ito po nakikita nyo. 50,000
and 45.
50,000 saka 45,000. Ngayon, kung hindi natin to in-expense, kasi asset yan, di ba? Fixed asset. Dapat, dine-depreciate siya, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dahil hindi siya dine-depreciate, kailangan nating mag-depreciate. So, we have to depreciate. Magkano yung de-depreciate natin sa 2017?
10,000.
50,000
Divided
Divided by ilang years? Ilang years daw?
5.
5.
5 years. So magkano? I'm sorry,
10,000.
5, 10,000. Fully depreciated na ba siya noong 2017 kung kinapitalize mo siya noong 2017 as 50?
Hindi pa,
Hindi
sir.
pa po, sir.
Hindi pa. So magde-depreciate ulit tayo dapat, di ba? Ng 10,000 sa 2018.
Yes, sir.
Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
So magkano yung effect nun?
20.
Understated yung depreciation.
20,000.
Over
Understated yung depreciation, kaya babawasan natin yung net income, di ba? Tapos, overstated yung expense, kaya dadagdagan natin yung net income.
income. Okay, sir.
Tapos, noong 2018, magkano yung cost na capitalized dapat, pero expense, ginawang expense ng 2018? Ito po,
45.
yung nasa 45. So, mag-depreciate din tayo
10 years.
sa 2000. So, magkano po?
Or
45,000 divided by
5.
5.
9.
So, meron tayong 9,000. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba niya? Okay. So, ito po yung mali sa accounting principle nila noon. Na in-expense nila, pero dapat ika-capitalize. So, this is the cumulative effect before taxes. Kano po yung cumulative effect before taxes? 66.
Yes, 29. 66,000.
57,000, sir, yung total.
Kano po?
50. Ay, sorry.
66.
Magkano po?
Ayaw nga pala, sir. Tama. 66 po, sir. Kamali lang ako, sir.
1,000. And then, manghihingi siya ng tax effect, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Magkano yung effective tax rate?
30.
30%, di ba? So, sorry, 30%. Okay. 30%. So, magkano ang 30% ng 66,000?
19,800.
Times 19,800. So, makukompute na ba natin yung cumulative effect after tax? Magkano po?
46,200, sir.
46,200. So, this is the cumulative effect of change in accounting principle. Ano pang hinahanap? Prepare comparative income statement. So magpe-prepare na tayo ng comparative income statement beginning with income before cumulative effect of accounting change for 2018 and 2019. Include earnings per share. So gagawa tayo. Okay lang ba gumawa?
Sige,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Alright. Gawa tayo ng partial. Partial AT and T. So, di ba? AT&T Incorporated partial income statement. And then for the years December 31, 2018 and 2019. Alright, so this is our income statement. So after income statement, so we have 2018, 2018. It's cumulative. Sorry, mali ako. Income before cumulative effect of changes in accounting policy. So magkano yung effect ng change sa accounting policy ng 2000? Magkano yung income before cumulative ng 2019 saka 2018? Ano yung nakasulat dyan sa problem?
200,000, sir. Ay,
200,000
yes,
saka
sir.
magkano po? 200,000 and then ano yung sa 2018? Ano naman sa 2018? Magkano po?
Old method lang, sir.
175,000 pesos.
Old
So
method.
from that, i-add natin yung cumulative effect, di ba? Cumulative effect. So saan natin makikita yung cumulative effect? Yung cumulative effect nandoon sa 2019 kasi modified retrospective application tayo. So 46,200 and then 2018 wala tayong ilalagay dahil modified retrospective application. So magkano yung net income? In 2019,
46.
246,200 and then 2018, 175,000 pesos. Ngayon, compute tayo ng earnings per share using the old yung before. Diba? EPS before. Paano tayo mag-compute ng earnings per share?
Net income, sir, over outstanding. Or
Net
total
income
over
Ano-
outstanding
ano po?
shares.
Ng earnings per share. Net income attributable to
Ordinary
outstanding.
shares. Outstanding.
Diba? To ordinary
Yes, sir.
shares pala, sorry. Net income attributable to
Ordinary
ordinary shares divided by total outstanding shares.
Yan, sir.
Nakukuha po ba? So magkano yung net income attributable, net income before?
200. Tama ba?
200
200.
divided by 200. And then, and yung outstanding shares?
210,000.
210. 210,000 outstanding shares. So, magkano yung earnings per share?
Yan, sir. 0.95.
0.95 saka 0.83. So this is EPS before it's EPS, earnings per share. And then we have to add the EPS based on cumulative effect. Ano natin na compute yung EPS based on cumulative effect? 46,200 divided by 210,000 pesos, 210,000 outstanding shares. 46,200 divided by 210,000 shares. So you have 22 earnings per share. And then, add mo lang silang dalawa. So this is the adjusted earnings per share. Any question? Any question regarding dito, class? Any question, class?
Wala po yata, sir.
Wala po. Okay. So, last na lang. Itatry natin. Ito kasi is using modified retrospective application. Let's try yung full retrospective application. So kapag full retrospective application naman, ang effect niya, wala dito sa current year, kundi nandito sa previous year. Yung cumulative effect. Ano yung cumulative effect ng previous year? So, noong 2018, merong effect siya na 26,000 pesos. So, ito yung cumulative effect mo dyan is 26,000 pesos times 70% kasi net of ano na siya, income tax. And then, so ito na yung adjusted EPS. Regarding, any question regarding dito? So kapag nag-apply tayo ng retrospective application, we can use modified retrospective application saka full retrospective application. Ngayon, question, question nyo sa sarili nyo, kailan po namin i-apply kapag modified retrospective application saka full retrospective application? Kapag sinabi nung problem. Kapag sinabi ng problem, mag-modified ka, mag-modified retrospective application. Kapag sinabing full retrospective application, mag-full retrospective application ka. Pero pag walang sinabi, basta sinabi lang, apply retrospectively. So yung assumption, full retrospective application. Any question, class? Any question? Any question, class?
Sir, saan po nakuha 18,200? Hindi po kasi ako nakasunod. Sinusulat ko po yung sinasabi.
18,200. Yung 18,200, nanggaling to doon sa 26,000. Yung dito po. Sa 2018.
Ay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So hindi mo na isasama yung sa 2017. Kung ano na lang pinakamalapit, yun na lang yung isasama mo.
Sir, sorry. Yung 18,000 po ba yun, no? Ba't 26 po? Nilito ako.
Ano po siya? Kasi net of tax na 30%. Di ba 70% nung 26,000?
Okay po, sir. Okay po, sir.
Okay. And then for problem 8, sa problem 8, gusto ko sagutan niyo yung problem 8, then i-send ko sa inyo yung ano na siya, hindi na siya video, yung answer key na lang doon. Gagawa na lang ako ng answer key for problem 8. Pero gusto ko i-try nyo siyang sagutan. Nagigets po ba, class? Naiintindihan po ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want the problem 8 to be your assignment. Tapos ipapasa niyo po siya sa Thursday, yung problem 8. Magka-create ako ng Google form where you can upload Word or kaya Excel o kaya PDF. So, isasend ko na lang yung link dun sa group page natin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Alright.
last
So, problem 8.
Sir, pasensya na kayo, sir. Yung,
Yes,
yung problem 7 po, sir, yung
Sige
nauna
po,
po,
go.
yung nauna po ay full. Yung pangalawa po modified.
Modified una.
Okay.
Yung una yung modified, yung pangalawa is full.
Okay.
Modified kasi is ano lang siya, hindi mo siya i-apply yung ano sa mga previous years. Although retrospective yung application niya.
Okay po, sir.
Hindi mo lang siya ipe-present yung effect sa previous years. Pero retrospective yung application, ilalagay mo lang siya sa current year. Yun po yung modified retrospective application.
Okay, sir.
Any question regarding this? None? None so far? If you still have question, you can ask me through chat box or sa group chat natin o kaya kahit ano lang, personal message lang. So we still have 10 minutes. Maybe we can discuss the correction of errors.
Okay, sir.
Okay lang po ba? Okay. So yung for the correction of errors, we have errors na nanggagaling saan? We have errors na nanggagaling po sa errors arising from the balance sheet.
Balance sheet and income statement.
Balance sheet error. Then we have income statement errors. And we also have combination, a combined statement errors. So kapag balance sheet errors, puro balance sheet yung maapektuhang account. Kapag income statement errors, puro income statement error lang yung, income statement account lang yung naapektuhan. And then kapag combined statement errors, both balance sheet and then both balance sheet and income statement naapektuhan. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes po ba, class? Alright. And then these errors na to, meron tayong classification na counterbalancing errors and then non-counterbalancing errors. Yung counterbalancing error, ano meron sa kanila?
Nagka-counterbalance po siya every after a year.
Nagsi-self-correct siya. Nagsi-self-correct siya the following year.
Yes, sir.
So next period, nagsi-self-correct siya. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
So nagkamali siya the first year. So year 1, nagkamali siya. Year 2, nagkamali ulit siya. Nakuha po ba? Year 1, nagkamali siya. Year 2, nagkamali ulit siya. Pero dahil sa pagkakamali niya ng year 2, naitama niya na lahat. Kaya naging correct na lahat. Naka po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba?
Yes.
So ito yung
Yes, sir.
yung bumabali sa principle natin na hindi kayang i-correct
Tama ng isang
ng
mali.
isa pang mali, yung isa pang
Mali.
pagkakamali. Pero
Nakamali. Okay.
meron tayong counterbalancing errors. Yung counterbalancing error, kayang i-correct nung isang pagkakamali, yung isa pang
Pagkakamali.
pagkakamali. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba? Well, yung non-counterbalancing errors, it cannot correct itself within 2 years. Kaya siya naging non-counterbalancing error kasi hindi niya kayang i-correct yung sarili niya within 2 years. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nagkamali ka ng first year, pero naitama mo naman nung second year, error pa rin. Nakukuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Ano yung mga example nung hindi nako-correct within 2 years?
Ano, sir?
Depreciation.
Mga prepayment, sir.
Depreciation, sorry
Prepayment.
po, depreciation,
Tsaka yung
prepayment, nako-correct siya.
and errors that affect the balance sheet, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Errors that affect
The balance sheet.
the balance.
Tama ba?
So one example is yung mga depreciation, di ba? So depreciation, bakit kaya naging non-counterbalancing yung depreciation? Kasi hindi siya kayang i-correct within 2 years, di ba? Nagkamali ka,
Yes, sir.
the following year, hindi pa rin yan tama. Kailan lang siya mako-correct? Kailan lang mako-correct yung non-counterbalancing errors?
Pag kinorek.
Pag pinorek, sir.
Kapag
Kapag kinorek na siya.
Okay.
Kapag manually kinorek siya.
hindi natin siya i-correct, pero kailan daw siya mako-correct? Tulad ng counterbalancing error, nagsa-self-correct siya. While yung non-counterbalancing error, hindi siya nagsa-self-correct within 2 years. Kailan siya mako-correct ng kusa?
Pag
Kapag
binenta na
dispose mo na yung
Yes, sir.
recognize mo na yung asset. So, kusa siyang mag-self-correct kapag dinispose or dinirecognize mo yung mga related asset na yon, related liability. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
So, nagsa-self-correct sila. So, in the long run, counterbalancing error din pala sila. Pero yung viewpoint kasi ng counterbalancing error natin, within 2 years, nako-correct.
Yes, sir.
Kapag hindi makorek within 2 years, non-counterbalancing errors. Kukuha po ba? Okay, so let's try to answer. We still have 6 minutes, no? So, effect. So, number 1 muna tayo. Try natin, no? Pag sinabing over daw, lagay daw natin O kapag over, U kapag under, X kapag no, effect. So number 1, inventory physical count. The company failed to record purchases of merchandise on account of 25,000 pesos at the end of 2018. So what's the effect? What's the effect on purchases for the year?
Understated, sir.
Class na lang ako. Wait lang, class ha. Ito na. Purchases for the year.
Understated po.
Effect of 2018, understated. And then, the following year,
Overstated po.
Overstated.
overstated. Bakit siya naging overstated?
Kasi may re-recognize po yung purchases sa next year halip na dapat sa 2018.
So, tama po yun. Yun yung correct answer. Kasi next year mo siya may re-record kung hindi mo siya na-record this year. Accounts payable. Accounts
Under.
payable. Ano yung effect sa accounts
Under.
Understated.
next year?
No
No effect.
effect.
No effect.
Next
No
year, no
No
effect.
Yes, sir. Kasi balance sheet item siya.
Yes, sir.
Net income,
Over.
Overstated. Mababa po kasi yung COGS.
Overstated.
tama po. Kasi mababa yung cost
Cost
of
of
goods
sales.
sold. And
Yes,
then,
sir.
following year,
Under.
Babalik
Babaliktad.
Under. I-under siya, sir.
magiging under.
Under.
Stated.
Yes, sir. Baliktad lang.
RE before. RE before closing.
No effect.
No effect no
2018.
beginning kasi before.
Kasi beginning.
Pero no 2019
Over.
Overstated.
over. RE after closing.
Over.
Overstated.
Over.
And then, the following year,
No effect. No effect po.
No effect.
no effect. So, para mas maintindihan, kasi the following year, ano ba dapat ang entry? Debit, purchases, and then credit, accounts, payable. Diba ito yung kanilang, lagyan natin ang amount, 100,000. 100,000. Ito yung dapat na entry. Sorry, 25,000 pala. 25,000. 25,000. Ito yung dapat na entry noong 2018. Kaso anong ginawa? Anong ginawa ng 2018?
Hindi po ni-record.
Hindi
Hindi nila ni-record noong 2018.
18.
Kaya ang nangyari,
Understated.
understated yung 2018 na purchases, understated rin yung 2018 na accounts payable.
Payable.
Ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagiget mo ba? Kaso, the following year ay nag-record sila. Diba? Nung nag-record sila, anong nangyari sa accounts payable?
Sobra.
Sumobra
Ay,
yung accounts payable
yes.
following year. Diba? Tama po ba?
Opo. Yes, sir.
And then yung purchases, sumobra po ba?
Yes, sir.
Hindi po. Ay, so sumobra po.
Sorry, ulit. Noong 2018, dapat may purchases na 25,000. Kaso hindi na record. Tama
Yes,
po
sir.
ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dahil hindi na record, anong nangyari sa purchases?
Understated.
Understated. Kaya understated yung sagot natin ng 2018. Dahil walang purchases na na-record, walang accounts payable, ano nangyari sa accounts payable ng 2018?
Under din, sir.
Under
Understated.
din. Pero the following year, saka lang na i-record. The following year, noong 2019, saka lang na-record, di ba? Dahil ni-record nung the following
Yes, sir.
year, ano nangyari sa purchases ng 2019?
Overstated.
Nag-over
Overstated.
siya. Kuha po ba? Pero dahil the following year siya nag-record, the following year din niya binayaran. Nagbayad siya ng cash, di ba? So
Cash.
credit to cash, 25,000. Tama ba na credit to cash yung ginawa niya? The following year?
Yes.
Mali.
Yes, ito nagbayad
Ay,
siya.
yes, tama. Nagbayad na pala siya.
Kasi
Oh.
ma-o.
Kaya may effect ba sa accounts payable?
Wala,
Wala.
sir.
Wala. Kaya no effect. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets mo ba?
Yes, sir.
Dahil sa 2018, wala kang purchases. Pag wala kang purchases, ang cost of sale mo ay
Under.
Mababa.
stated. So, ang iyong net income ay
Overstated.
overstated. So, anong effect sa net income? 2018, overstated.
Stated.
Yes, sir.
Dahil yung net income mo overstated, yung RE mo is
Over.
pag-over din. So,
After
RE
posting.
after closing, overstated. Pero yung RE before closing,
No effect, sir.
no effect. Kasi wala pa yung effect nung overstatement. Ito po ba?
Yes, sir.
Nagigets po ba? And then the following year, dahil nag-record ka ng purchases, pero tama ba na nagbayad ka ng cash next year?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pero tama ba na ni-record mo yung purchases next
Yes.
year? Nung next year? Tama po ba na ni-record mo yung purchases next year?
Yes, sir.
Kailan ba dapat
Mali, sir.
ni-record yung
Mali.
purchase?
Mali. Dapat nung 2018 pa na-record eh. Kaya sobra.
Kaya sobra yung purchases.
Yes, sir.
Dahil sobra yung purchases, ano nangyari sa cost of sale?
So, sobra rin. Tataas din siya.
Overstated.
Overstated.
Anong mangyayari sa net income?
Understated.
Understated. Tama po ba? And then retained earnings before, noong 2019.
Ano, sir?
Na-carry forward.
Yes, sir. Over.
Over, bakit siya over? Kasi overstated siya
beginning.
last year.
Yes, sir.
Yung ending po ng last
And then RE after,
Is no effect na. Kasi
no effect
counterbalance.
na siya. Kasi counterbalance na. Nakuha po ba? Nagigets po ba?
Percent offset na po.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sige
sir.
yun. Ngayon, what will be your correcting entry? What will be your correcting entry?
Ano, sir? Debit purchases.
Debit,
Sorry. Ano pala, sir? Debit retained earnings. Kasi sobra yung
retained
earning.
earnings. Sige po. Earnings,
Credit
magkano
rate,
po?
25,000.
Or email. 25,000 and then credit,
AP.
Purchases.
credit,
AP.
purchases,
Purchases.
25,000.
Tayo nga pala, aalisin mo yung purchase ng 2019.
Kasi ang alisin mo, yung effect ng purchases na ginawa mo noong
2019.
following year. Nakuha po ba?
Yes, sir.
Para hindi malito, yung hindi nyo ginawa nung last year, eto po yan. Yung hindi nyo ginawa nung last year, baligtarin nyo lang, tapos yung balance sheet account, gawin yung retained earnings.
Okay.
So, di ba? Purchases, credit, AP. Baligtarin nyo, naka-credit yung purchases, and then yung related balance sheet account, gawin yung retained earnings. Nakukuha po ba?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, thank you so much, class. Assignment nyo na rin yung ibang exercises, saka problems sa chapter 2 ng correction of errors. Then, magsasend rin ako ng solutions for correction of errors. Or if we have time, maybe we can have a meeting ulit about sa correction of errors, then tuloy naman natin sa audit of cash. Alright, class. Thank you so much. Thank you for your
Thank you, sir.
time.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good
Congrats,
day.
Congrats, Robert.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats, Robert.